Setting instructions. Click Star key and Pound key to enter the menu. Enter the administrator's initial password 123456 and press Pound key to confirm. 1. Admin setting. 1. Add admin. Press 1. Admin setting. 1. Add admin. Enter the password according to the prompt. Enter the card according to the prompt. Enter the fingerprint according to the prompt. Press Star key to return after entering. 2. Dial admin. Press to dial admin. Enter the number to delete and press Pound key to delete. 3. Net config. Press 3 for net config, 1 for hot link, 2 for smart link, and select according to your needs. 2. User setting. 1. Add user. Press to user setting. 1. To add user, enter the password according to the prompt. Enter the card according to the prompt. Enter the fingerprint according to the prompt. Press Star key to return after entering. 2. Dial user. 1. Delete by ID. Press 2 deluser, then 1 delete by ID. Enter the number to delete and press Pound key to delete. 2. Delete all. Press 2 delete all to confirm to delete. 3. System setting. 1. Volume setting. Press 3 system settings. Press 1 volume setting. 1 low, 2 medium, 3 high, 4 mute, and select according to your needs. 2. Unlock mode. Press to unlock mode, 1 single unlock, 2 combination unlock, and select according to your needs. 3. Language selection. Press 3 language selection, 1 Chinese, 2 English, and select according to your needs. 4. Set date time. Press for set date time and input the current time according to the prompt. And press Pound key to confirm. 5. Anti-price settings. Press 5 anti-price setting, 1 on, 2 off, and select according to your needs. 6. Lock none. Press 6 lock none. Enter a number according to the demand, and press Pound key to confirm. 4. Factory setting. Press for factory setting. Press Pound key to confirm factory setting.